Oftentimes people ask this question: how can I create and sell event tickets with my Brilliant Directories website? And actually, with the release of the Sell Digital Downloads add-on that we had several months ago, now it's actually really easy on managing your events, managing the people who buy event tickets, and just having a little bit more control and view as to how much revenue your events are creating.
So this has always been a pretty common feature request for Brilliant Directories, and once we released the Sell Digital Downloads add-on, that really facilitated the way to manage the entire event management process. Now with the Sell Digital Downloads add-on, you can repurpose the digital downloads for ticket sales. Tickets can obviously be sold for any kind of event, whether it's in person or an online event. So this is really great if you, the website owner, wants to sell tickets for an event that you're hosting. So yeah, step one, creating and publishing an event post.
All right, so let's just see, we're going to continue using the dog groomer site that we've been using as the example. So let's just check out that site, and let's go to /events. And as the admin of the site, David, you created this event here, the Westminster Kennel Club Dog Show, right?
Yeah, so this is just your standard event post. It has information like when the event starts, when it ends, general information. And then if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see that we added some links to actually purchase tickets.
Okay, so this is all just in the description of the event here, right?
Exactly.
Okay, great. So publish an event, easy to do. Step two, create a digital product.
So this is where the Sell Digital Products add-on really comes into play. What you'll want to do is you'll want to utilize the add-on to create digital products. Now these digital products will be the tickets that you're selling. So in our example, we had kind of just a general admission ticket and then an early bird, and then you can see we limited to only 100 spots, and then we also offer the standard VIP ticket. So basically what we did is we published 3 digital downloads, which in this case are tickets, one for each of those variations.
So let's take a look at those. So I just logged in as the admin contributor here. So I can publish blog articles, events, and you just assign these to yourselves, and also digital products. So let's look at the 3 digital products that I created in this example. So here are the 3 ticket options. Let's dig deep. Let's actually look at the VIP early bird. So let's edit this. So we did a few things here. First, we set it to be published. We gave it a name, $20 VIP early bird. We gave it a price. And in this case, we also gave it a quantity. So after this quantity is reached, one of the nice features of the Sell Digital Downloads add-on, the product is no longer available. What's really nice about the digital products also is after somebody purchases this product, you can actually redirect them to a custom thank you page that you create. Maybe there's additional information about what they just purchased. Or if you didn't want to do that, you can send them a confirmation email. You can create a custom email that they receive after purchasing this specific product. Or you could do both. You can send them to a thank you page, and you can send them a confirmation email with the relevant information about their purchase. Let's take a look at one of these tickets here. So let's click on the $10 general admission. So this would be the page. There's a purchase now button, and it is for purchasing the $10 general admission ticket.
Yeah, so that was step 3, linking to all of those purchase pages for the tickets on that event post.
So let's see how we did that actually. Let's go to the admin area, and let's look at all of my digital products here. So I have the 3 here, and I can certainly click on view post for all 3 of these. Perfect. So this is the URL up here for the $10 admission, the $20, and the $40. So what we did is we just took these URLs, and let's actually go to the events post, and let's edit the event that we created. So this is the event post for this. So we have the time and the date, and if we scroll down, we have the description, and we can see that we've linked these here. We can edit the link, and we can see we are linking to the checkout page, each respective checkout page for each respective ticket type. And we can test the link if we open it here. So this is the $20 VIP early bird link. Perfect. So simple, just link to the buy page in the description of the event and or the ticket posts. Very good. And then what's the last step, David, here?
Just logging into that admin member account where you created those posts, and you'll be able to track those ticket sales. And if you want, you can export that list as well.
Perfect. So let's actually look at the ticket sales and see who purchased what tickets. So because the admin posted those digital products, the admin can see the sales history of those digital products. And it'll be in the sidebar here, and only the digital products post type has this extra tab here for sales history. The other ones have view and add, and digital products has the sales history. So go ahead and click on that. And we can see here we've had 3 sales, one for each amount. We actually bought it from ourselves. Over here it would show the members' information and their email address of who purchased which product. So what the real magic is here is, let's say you had 50 people buy the $10 general admission. Up here, and this is the secret sauce, you can filter by product and you can filter by general admission, and it'll just show you the buyers that purchased this product, in this case, this type of ticket. And then here you have the export results button, and that'll give you like a CSV Excel file with all the pertinent information of what the product is and who the buyer is. So if you ever wanted to have like a checklist or something like that at the door, if you're physically checking people in, you can definitely cross-reference their name with your list of people who purchased this specific ticket. And you had some bonus points here, Dave, right?
Yeah, some pretty important ones. So a lot of people ask, well, what if my members want to sell tickets? Because so far what we've shown is just if you, the website owner, is hosting an event and you want to sell tickets and collect that revenue. So if you want to do it for your members, you'll be acting as the middleman or the payment processor, because it's your website that processes all of the ticket sales. So you end up collecting all of the payments. So for example, if you're using Stripe or PayPal, that money will go into your Stripe or your PayPal account. So you'll then have to manually calculate the revenue to then send out to that member who's hosting the event for their ticket sales. So this can get pretty messy. You have to keep in mind that there may be people who will request refunds, chargebacks, credit card disputes, things like that. So there's a lot of potential discrepancies to take into account that may cause issues with keeping track of how much revenue to distribute back out to the member who's actually hosting the event. Probably the simplest way to do it for both you and your member is to just charge them using the pay per post feature for however many events they want to publish on your website. So there's a few different ways to go about it where you're actually providing them a different service for promoting their event rather than actually acting as that payment processor and selling tickets for them. It's probably a lot easier for everybody involved if you just have them sell the tickets on a third-party site like Ticketmaster or Eventbrite, and then you just take care of some of the promotional aspects that Brilliant Directories already has built in.
Well, great stuff, David. Thanks for putting this together. But just to recap, since I know a lot of people might want to do this, create and publish an event post, create digital products for each ticket level, and then for the URL of that ticket, link it to the buy page in the description of the event. So in the description of the event, just link to the buy pages for those different ticket options. And then you can certainly track and export the buyer lists for each different ticket level that you have.